Hi dear friend, today I caught the epic of RCB versus GT final today, and it taught me a powerful lesson about the resilience. The true champions are built through years of the perseverance, not the overnight success. The RCB historical tragedy. In 2008, 7th league stage, the inaugural session struggled with the team built heavy around the test leadings. In 2009, second runner-up, led by the Anil Kumble in South Africa, narrowly lost low-scoring final to DC. In 2010, third, semi-finals, qualify for the Champion League T20 by winning third place playoff. In 2011, second, runner-up, dominated by the Chris Gayle arrival but lost in the final to CSK. In 2012, fifth, league stage, strong batting performance but let down the bowling consistently. In 2013, fifth, league stage, narrowly missed the top four on net run out. In 2014, seventh league stage, inconsistent run structure, shift in the middle overs. In 2015, third, qualifier second, knocked out just one step away from the final. In 2016, second runner-up, Kohli peaks year, 973 run, lost the acknowledgedly close final to SRH. In 2007, eighth position, league stage, forgettable wooden spoon season, bowled out for the record low 49. In 2018, sixth position, league stage, struggled to find bowling depth to defend high score. In 2019, eighth, league stage, finished dead last on the table despite a strong individual game. In 2020, fourth, eliminator, returning to the playoff after the 3-year drought. In 2021, third, eliminator, Virat Kohli final session as an official captain. In 2019, 2009 versus Deccan Chargers, chasing the midest target of 144 in Johannesburg, RCB batting lineup collapsed under pressure, losing the match by tiny margins in just 6 runs. In 2011 versus the Chennai Super Kings, up against the peak CSK squad as of Chapek, RCB was completely bowled away by the massive 205-run target, losing comfortably by 58 runs. In 2016 versus Sunrisers Hyderabad, the toughest pill to swallow, chasing 209 at their home ground, Chinnaswamy Stadium. Chris Gayle and Virat Kohli pull up flying 114 runs opening stand. Once they fall, the middle order crumble, losing by 8 runs. Learning from the Virat Kohli IPL journey proves when you are fairly guards your self-belief and stay at the chairs through the toughest dry spells. Your time will inevitably come. True mastery is not about avoiding the struggles; it's about the enduring. It with an unmatched intent until you turn a long wait into the ultimate victory. The greatest lesson our RCB teaches a UPSC aspirant is that delayed success is not denied success. True victory rarely comes with a first strike. It requires you as a endure the storm, adopt your strategy, and wait for the moment. When the struggle gets heavy, keep your head down and remember your breakthrough year is coming. Trust the process and above all, believe in your own journey.